Here fellas, I have Milwaukee 4 amps battery, and charger shows that it's faulty, and we can see that by measuring the voltage. Measuring here we have 3.9, measuring here we have 3.9, and measuring here we have almost nothing. It's a 200 millivolts, so it's same as nothing. I will try to measure the cells itself. Here we have 3.5, here we have 3.5, here we have nothing, and here we have nothing. So that means our two foreign cells are dead here and definitely need to be replaced. So let's replace them. Okay, now I can get this one, and I can get this one, yeah. And probably I can take them out. Okay, now we need to remember that here we have the plus and here we have the minus, and of course you can make the note somewhere, but it's a plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. And now what we need to do, we need to get our positive ones inside. We'll get it like that, because this plate will bend it on this side. Just pushing the cells in. Sometimes it's hard to push them in. Okay, got it in. Okay, bending the plate. Okay, catched it. We'll make some couple more spots. Well, this one here. Yep, feels good. Need to get one more. Okay, seems to be good. Now, of course, I'm going to show the battery is faulty. I will put in the charger. Gonna get a charger. Okay. We can see that the red light is up, so it's charging. We need to wait until it charges. Okay, do not wait very long. I don't know if you can see or not, it's a green light blinking. So I'm removing the battery out from the charger. It shows now 3 or 4. Of course, it not was fully charged. We can bring it back to the housing and then we'll completely charge it. But as you can see, our fix is working, so that's why Milwaukee batteries are better than Makita, because they are not blocking out. So just closing it. Okay. Yep, 3 or 4. So that's all. Thank you for watching. You can see you can easily repair your battery itself, and for now just bye.